Geely Holding and the Concordium Foundation will jointly finance the establishment of a Geely Holding Blockchain Innovation and Application Center located in Wuxi, China. The purpose of the joint venture is to further develop blockchain technologies and improve blockchain standards in the automotive industry and other industries. The joint venture will use Concordium's blockchain technology to become a leading blockchain technology and service provider in China. Moreover, the joint venture will offer Concordium access to hundreds of developers, innovative new use cases and a variety of tools and applications which can serve the Concordium ecosystem. I will let you know. Have you heard the news around CCD? CCD News Today. Since announcing its intention to establish a joint venture with the Concordium Foundation last February, Geely Holding established a digital technology sector subsidiary, Geely Digital Technology, to invest in blockchain, big data, data security, among other cutting-edge technologies. Geely Holding is now accelerating the development building of blockchain global headquarters in Wuxi, China. The joint venture will allow Geely and Concordium to offer businesses and customers access to new blockchain platform-based business models and dApps. As mentioned, the JV marks a new era of collaboration, using Concordium's strong cryptographic security, permissionless blockchain with ID at the protocol level and Geely's technological leadership and implementation power in the Chinese market. Daniel Donghui Li, CEO of Geely Holding Group said, "The in-depth cooperation between Geely Holding and Wuxi Economic Development District in the field of blockchain technologies will help accelerate the development of the blockchain industry in Wuxi." The policy and resource support of Wuxi Economic Development District is also conducive to the rapid development of Geely Holdings' blockchain technology and business. Lars Seier Christensen, chairman of Concordium Foundation, speaking on the occasion said, "We will do our utmost to contribute with our advanced blockchain technology backed by some of the most innovative brains from top-ranked universities in the world and developed by top software developers for the benefit of enterprises and startup companies throughout China." Working with Concordium, the Geely Digital Technology has developed blockchain as a service, BOSS, platform, digital asset management platform, blockchain traceability platform among other products and solutions, which have been applied to some of Geely's automotive products and brands. This research and development puts Concordium in line with some of the most cutting-edge technologies and use cases, and with a large number of developers who are building new capabilities on the Concordium blockchain. In the future, Concordium will cooperate more deeply with Geely Holding to focus on accelerating blockchain application in the automotive and other industries by empowering the industrial internet, traceability in supply chains, carbon neutrality, metaverse, and other fields. Most important news from last year, CCD. Concordium, a public, proof-of-stake blockchain with a built-in identification layer to meet the regulatory requirements, is thrilled to announce the official listing of its native CCD token on Bitfinex and BitGlobal, two leading crypto exchanges. Bitfinex is the first exchange where users can trade the CCD token, beginning at 10 a.m. Central Europe Time on February 10, 2022. Trading on BitGlobal will open on February 11, 2022 at 10 a.m. Central Europe Time. Founded in 2012, Bitfinex is one of the world's oldest crypto trading platforms. It offers a suite of highly advanced and diversified trading features, charting tools, and unparalleled support. BitGlobal is designed to enable every user to trade, participate, or contribute to the digital assets ecosystem with ease. It offers a user-friendly digital asset ecosystem with increased liquidity and tighter security measures of international standards. Both Bitfinex and BitGlobal users will be able to trade CCD against BTC, ETH, and USDT. The exchanges will initially support only spot trading of the token at launch. In the near future, Concordium intends on bringing CCD to more exchanges, thereby increasing the liquidity of the CCD and enabling wider utilization of the CCD. As the native token of the Concordium platform, CCD is key to interacting with the blockchain. It can be used as a means of payment on applications using the Concordium technology, as well as paying transaction fees to the validator nodes that process transactions and secure the network. These fees are deterministic, known in advance and stable in euro terms. The CCD token will also power the vibrant ecosystems built on Concordium, with a special focus on regulated DeFi, decentralized fintech, and innovation. The Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority has classified CCD as a payment token, meaning it is suitable to be used for on-chain settlement of transactions, collateralization, and all other use cases applicable in decentralized finance, DeFi. The Concordium Foundation will develop and implement a fair governance structure that allows the project to evolve over time. It means that CCD holders will ultimately have on-chain voting powers in Concordium's decentralized governance. CCD Roadmap. The roadmap is a dynamic plan and it will regularly be updated to support users and applications and take new research into consideration. Furthermore, as the source code will be open and as the governance of the blockchain evolves towards decentralization, inputs from the community will inspire the roadmap. The roadmap is based on two central principles as described below. Consolidating before extending. In parallel with the mainnet continuously running a public, open testnet for demonstrating new features and for validating new and existing applications. Furthermore, the roadmap has a strong focus on improving the capacity through sharding, providing a feature-rich and easy-to-use environment for smart contracts as well as enabling interoperability and auditability. There are three types of planned updates. 1. Protocol updates. All bakers must update as a hard fork will otherwise be created. 2. Functional updates. Adding new features and improvements to node software. Failing to update will not create a hard fork. 3. Update of tools and APIs. These updates do not affect the core blockchain functionality. Protocol updates are the most extensive and will be planned well in advance. 4 such updates are planned with a gradually increasing interval between each in order to meet the expected need for more frequent updates early after launch. 1 or 2 functional updates are planned between each protocol update depending on the time interval between the protocol updates. The principle of first consolidating and then extending means that the first year after the mainnet release will focus on consolidating and optimizing existing features and providing tools and templates for using these. While it will remain important to optimize the blockchain, more and more effort will gradually be focusing on adding new features and extending the toolset. This can take the form of internal development within Concordium, community projects or partner projects. As mentioned, the roadmap is subject to regular reviews, and as part of this the functional updates will be defined in detail influenced by the needs of the users and stakeholders. However, the functional updates around a given protocol update will focus on tools and APIs for improving the usability of the features in the protocol update. The functional updates before and after Sirius will, for example, focus on improving smart contract tools and mechanisms to extract data from the blockchain for auditability and telemetry. The functional updates around Vega will mostly relate to tools for sharding and interoperability. Furthermore, depending on the availability of external wallets, custodial and non-custodial, activities related to wallets are planned at this point. The roadmap features are grouped into themes. While the next section gives more detail on these, some dependencies between themes will guide part of the planning. One such dependency relates to providing a finalization service based on the consensus protocol in the blockchain, denoted FAS. This can be used by external service and is also a cornerstone in our sharding mechanism. However, one thing is to be able to register events using FAS. Another is to be able to efficiently validate data on the chain. For parties running nodes as part of the blockchain, this is less of an issue, but for interoperability with external parties it is important that this can be done efficiently. Tools and mechanisms for this are placed under the feature denoted State Proofs in our roadmap under the Auditability theme and Outgoing Messages in the Interoperability theme. We see another dependency between the evolution of sharding and token support. Initially, we focus on providing smart contract templates for tokenization and swapping, but as these contracts mature and as sharding matures, these contract templates will be extended to cross-sharding operations. Concordium provides both a mobile and a desktop wallet. The mobile wallet can be used for managing and using accounts. It is considered a reference wallet, and the expectation is that over time this wallet will be replaced by other wallets. Depending on when this will happen, a few improvements are planned. The desktop wallet offers enhanced key management functionality, support for Ledger Nano S, and will, in addition to account management and transfers, be used by Concordium for governance operations. Note that the APIs mentioned under Auditability and Telemetry for extracting data from the chain can also be used to enhance future wallets. It is important to note that I am not a financial advisor, and the information in this video is not trading or investing advice. Now thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.